In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your 3D scan very useful inside Blender. So first delete everything and just import a 3D scan file. The high poly version, it's all depends on you. So as you can see, its orientation is in right, and we can see in the material view that the texture is sticking pretty well. Just fix the rotation by eyeballing it, and yep, that's right. That's how it was in real life. Now as you can see, the geometry is pretty much intact. You can use merge by distance to delete some vertices. And now if you select this by pressing L and Control I to reverse selection, you can just delete some vertices which are floating around. Now we don't want this and we want few things. So for that, just use a cube as your guide for removing the unwanted part of the object. So I'll just move it around in edit mode, or what I can do is, as you can see, there is a circle which is pretty solid scan and rest of it is not good. So I can use a circle, scale it to match that circle of high quality scan, and then just extrude it outwards and on the z-axis. So now we have our selected area. Now you need the bool tool add-on, which you can enable into edit preferences. What it does is, you can select the object, this is our cutter and this is our scan, and hit Ctrl minus, and it will get rid of the area. As you can see, that's what I wanted. So first select this scan and choose fast. That will do the most of the job. You can just move it around to make it fix the area. Now apply. Thank you for staying in the video this long. As an appreciation, I have some free assets for you guys. As you can see on my gumroad, there is a sci-fi cube, a photogrammetry model, some Brahmast wire effect, and some Akatsuki clock, free mountain asset pack, some urban detail kits, neon signs, urban building and shops, and many more. You can download them for free, or currently there is a 50% off on my Diwali and Halloween special Blend Wonder pack, which is only available till 10th of November. After that the price will go high. And also here I have some high quality 3D scan for you guys. As you can see, the stone bench, the rock you just see in the video, and the high quality nature assets. All the 3D scans are totally for free. I did them with Kiri Engine, and that is an amazing app. I did do my 3D scan with it. Here you can see the 3D scan plant library, which you can use in your project. The 3D scan lady statue. Also, I got a Akatsuki clock from Naruto Shippuden and a PUBG hut. All are free. Go and grab them. Back to the video. And just delete this, and still in edit mode, press L to select everything and Control I to invert this button and delete the inverted area. Now as you can see, we don't want this tree, but it's pretty annoying. You can just go and grab everything and just get rid of that like this. And as you can see, it's leaving some hole in the ground. We can patch up pretty easily. If you still find some issue with this, you can always go to sculpt mode, Control Tab for shortcut, and you can just use smooth brush with a density with a strength of 0.2. That's too much for it because we don't have much geometry. That's pretty much 0.1, and you will just get rid of the unwanted things. And here is everything smooth and fine. Our 3D scan asset is ready to go, pretty much like a Megascans. You can see there is some artifact. Just fix this, but it is not the kind of going away thing, so I'll just delete this vertices, few more, and just patch this thing up. You won't be able to see this from the far distance because our main subject is the rock. Now, as you can see, I used the low poly version. With the high poly version, there are some patches around, so for that you need to first fix that thing. And you can also work with that, like you can use smooth modifier on top of this to make things smoother, but in this case it's not necessary. We have a solid and good scan.